Meow there! I'm Whiskers, the coolest cat in Techville. You might think I'm just a furry face, but let me tell you a tale. I mean, tale. It all started in my human's office. He's always tapping away on this glowing rectangle. It looks fun, but he never lets me play with it. Day after day, I'd watch him work. Tap, 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 click, click, click. It was like a strange dance with his paws. One sunny afternoon, while my human was out getting his daily caffeine fix, I decided to take matters into my own paws. I snuck under the desk, careful not to knock over any of those weird figurines he collects. And then, oops, I stepped on the clicky thing. Suddenly, the screen lit up with all these funny symbols. It was like a new kind of toy. At first, I was scared I'd broken something, but then a friendly voice started explaining things. It was a coding tutorial. Day after day, I'd sneak onto the desk when my human was away. I'd watch the tutorials and try to copy what I saw. It wasn't easy. My paws aren't made for typing, but I'm a persistent kitty. I practiced and practiced. Soon, I could make the computer do all sorts of things. It was like magic, but with lots of tapping involved. But then, something strange happened in Techville. The humans were all worried about something called digital heists. I heard my human talking on the phone. "Another bank's been hacked," he said. "This is getting serious." His voice was filled with worry and confusion. I didn't know what hacked meant, but it sounded bad. Like when I hack up a hairball, but worse. Much, much worse.
This is a disaster. How can we stop something we can't even see or understand?
The whole city was in a panic. The police were stumped. Even the smartest humans couldn't figure out who was behind these heists. That's when I had an idea. Maybe I could help. After all, I knew a thing or two about computers now. It was time for this cat to become a hero. Late one night, I snuck onto the computer again. But this time, I wasn't just playing around. I had a mission, and I was determined to solve this mystery. I started looking at the code left behind by the hacker. It was tricky, but I noticed something familiar. The way the code was written, it reminded me of a pattern I'd seen in one of my tutorials. Meow, I've got it! This code, it's like a digital paw print. I followed the trail of code like it was a mouse scurrying through the city. Every clue led to another and another. It wasn't easy. Sometimes I'd get stuck and have to start over, but I'm one smart kitty and I wasn't about to give up. Finally, after hours of work, I found it. The hacker's secret hideout, hidden behind layers of tricky code. Now came the hard part. How could I tell the humans what I'd found? They don't speak cat, you know. I had to be clever. So I wrote a program that would send an anonymous tip to the police. The next morning, I watched from the window as police cars raced by. They were heading right where I'd told them to go. Later that day, it was all over the news. "Mysterious hacker caught," the headline said. "Anonymous tip leads to arrest."
Can you believe it? They finally caught the hacker.
If only he knew it was his own cat who'd cracked the case. But I was happy to keep it our little secret. Now I'm the unsung hero of Techville. Not bad for a cat who just wanted to play with a glowing rectangle, huh? So remember, humans, never underestimate a curious cat. You never know when we might save the day. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think I hear my human opening a can of tuna. This hero needs his reward. Waliula.